In a valley embraced by green hills, history never sleeps. This is Sawahlunto, a World Heritage City, now beating with a new spirit. Within the darkness of Lubang Kalam lies the story of resilience. Each wall whispers of a past that shaped today. Inside Lubang Kalam, a Javanese dancer moves. In the darkness of history, she dances, carrying light and hope for Sawahlunto. Within the depths of Lubang Mbasuro, the Javanese dancer moves in harmony with the shadows of history. Each step a tribute, each gesture a bridge between the past and the present. Sawahlunto remembers, yet dances toward hope. Lubang Mbasuro stands as an eternal witness. From the depths of the earth, struggle and hope continue to live on. In the clear flow of the river, the Ronggeng dancer moves freely, as if one with the current of life. Her gestures mirror the joy of a people whose spirit never fades. Then her steps shift, entering the old mining building near Sawahlunto's heart. A silent witness of history. Now revived through her dance. The Grand Mosque Nurul Islam, once a coal power station, now a sacred sanctuary. Built by the Dutch in 1894, transformed into a mosque in 1952. Its chimney, once fueling the mines, now stands as a holy minaret. From the fire of coal rises the light of faith. This is Sawahlunto's living heritage. In Siluikan, golden and silver threads intertwine in the dance of needle and hand. This is Songket, a legacy that defies time. Each pattern holds a prayer. Each strand tells a story of the ancestors' love for Sawahlunto. Not just fabric, but an identity woven from pride and eternity. She dances gracefully, as delicate as the woven threads. Each motion of her hands, each step of her feet, flows with the rhythm of the loom. In this woman's dance, the heritage of Songket comes alive. Not just a performance, but the very soul of Sawahlunto in motion. Batu Runcing is no ordinary stone. It began as coral in an ancient sea, hundreds of millions of years ago, sculpted by nature's forces into its sharp form. Today, it stands as a symbol of resilience, a beacon that from the foundation of ancient heritage, Sawahlunto grows toward the promise of tomorrow. Before the gate, she stands, witnessing a city renewed. A gateway not just to Sawahlunto, but to a new era of hope. Here rests Muhammad Yamin, the son of the nation. From Sawahlunto he dreamed of unity, a vision that became the soul of Indonesia. In every beat, in every dance, the city's soul rises again. Events are more than celebration. They're the breath of togetherness, the spark of youth, the spirit of Sawahlunto's new era. In this kitchen of tradition, skilled hands craft flavors. Kerupuk kubang, crisp not just as food, but as a timeless story of Sawahlunto. And the timeless tradition of Teko coffee. In every simple package lives a story of taste and heritage. From the darkness of coal, beauty is reborn. Batik Arang, Sawahlunto's heritage, where history is etched into art. At the church, a simple smile appears. Then Batak dance unfolds, uniting culture and faith in the soul of Sawahlunto. The train station, witness to coal that once moved the world. Between the silent rails, echoes of the past remain. This station once carried Sawahlunto's coal to the world. Now it is more than a stop, a living monument, the heritage of Ombilin, where history keeps breathing. In the heart of the rice fields, two souls move in harmony. Silat is more than martial art. It's a language of honor, balance, and a heritage that lives on. In the heart of the city, the Kuda lumping awakens the soul, not just a dance, but a pulse that unites. From the sharp stone of history, from the rails that once carried coal, to the dances that keep heritage alive. Sawahlunto is more than a mining city. It is an echo of life that endures. Here, diversity becomes harmony, and differences move as one soul. This is the message of Sawahlunto, to guard its legacy, to unite the present, and to step boldly into a new era.